So I'm doing Instacart today, and one of the ladies messaged me and was like, there will be a note with your name and a little present outside. She was like, happy holidays. So I wanted to come in here and open this. It looks like I opened it, but I almost did. So let's look inside. I think it's candy. Oh, Cherry's cookies. I'm gluten-free. I cannot even eat them, but that's okay. I've got some soft baked almond flour bars. Oh, she's so sweet. Okay, I am gluten-free. I can eat this almond flour. Starbucks gift cards. What the heck? What the heck? What the heck? What the heck? I'm probably gonna eat these cookies anyways and just suffer the gluten. A chocolate pretzel crust cluster? What the heck? And they're all from the same place. I'm like, maybe she like works here or something, or like owns it. Cheryl's Cookies in Scottsdale. I don't know if she owns it. This is a buttercream frosted chocolate chip mini cookie, and I will be glutening myself just to eat this. And I don't eat Starbucks, but I'm going to. Thank you so much, Meredith. Thank you, if you ever see this.